Morning everyone, I hope you're keeping well. The next piece of work for you will be page 28 and 29 on forming expressions. I'm going to go through two examples with you now, and then I'm going to put the work up with an online activity just to match up with it. So, first example. We need to write an expression for the cost in pence of 6 apples and 5 bananas. Now, what is an expression? It is a mixture of numbers and letters, but it does not have an equal sign. So we need to write this in algebraic form. So instead of writing the word apple, we're going to use the letter A. Instead of writing the word banana, we're going to just use the letter B, just the first letter of the words. So let's work out the cost of the apples first. You have 6 of those. So you have A plus A plus A plus A plus A plus A. Now we know to simplify that and write that as a nice tidied expression, count the number of A's you've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You put your number first, followed by the letter 6A. Now let's work out the cost of the B's. We have 5 bananas. So we have B plus B plus B plus B plus another 1. And again, to tidy it up, count the number of B's you have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put the number first and put the letters next. So we have worked out that we have 6A plus 5B. Now when you're working out the total cost of something, you're adding the prices together. So we simply put an add sign in between those. So your final answer will be 6A plus 5B. Now we don't join those together because we know apples and bananas are different. We don't join together letters that are different. Example 2. So this one's a little bit more, there's a bit more reading in it and a bit more to figure out. So John is X years old. So we're only told an expression for his age. Jane is 3 years younger than John, and Tom is twice John's age. So we're going to have to write firstly an expression for Jane's age. Well, she is 3 years younger than John. So for example, if John was 15, if she is 3 years younger than that, it is John's age, so 15 minus the 3, so Jane will be 12. So it is no different when it's in algebra form. You put John's age down, which is X. You take away your 3. Now we aren't actually working out what her age is as a number. We're literally leaving it as an expression. So Jane's age is John's age. Take away 3 years. Next example, we have to write an expression for Tom's age, which is twice that of John. So again, back to the example, if John was 15, 15 times 2, Tom would be 30. So again, you take John's age. Now I'm going to write the word multiply rather than try and confuse things with 2 x's. Multiply by 2. Which gets us 2x. So John is X years old, Jane is X minus 3 years old, and Tom is 2x. Last part, we have to write an expression for the sum. Sum means total. To get the total, you add of their 3 ages. John is X plus Jane's X minus 3 plus Tom's 2x. Now tidy it up, add the x's together. 1x plus another 1x is 2x, plus 2x gets you 4x, and minus 3. Again, with these you will have no final answer as in x is 20 or x is 40. You will leave it as an expression as 4x minus 3.